It's like a full body movement.
I don't even sweat this much during my workouts.
And that's the only workout you need.
Flyweight is a transformer. Its different configurations replace different cardio machines and other pieces of conditioning equipment. The pieces lock, unlock, and rotate rapidly and easily. This allows for full acceleration without each of the limitations of dumbbells, kettlebells, the medicine ball, and battle ropes. And also free from the limitations of cardio machines.
This is something similar that I would do on like an assault bike, a ski erg, a rower. You can use these as a cardio machine. They spike your heart rate fast.
With dumbbells and kettlebells, you lift it, but you also ride it back slower, and the range of acceleration is limited. So you have to increase the weight in order to increase resistance, but not with Flyweight. With Flyweight, you're able to accelerate, decelerate, and accelerate again. More acceleration, more resistance. It's not about more weight. Flyweight lets you overgrip, undergrip, and neutral grip. It's edge-to-edge grip, and that makes a huge difference. You just can't accelerate dumbbells, kettlebells, medicine balls, and battle ropes the same way. Not even close. And cardio machines take so much movement away from you. With Flyweight, you do more. And that's why Flyweight is one of the most effective pieces of conditioning equipment ever designed.
Get a great workout in. Don't need any of those big cardio machines.
This kicks some medicine balls ass.
I'm definitely humbled using this.